Hi everyone, Lisa here. I have a new class for you, and this class is going to be using the Hearts and Hugs bundle. So it's the stamp set and the dies. So you're going to need this bundle for this class. It will be an add-on option. So let me go ahead and show you the projects. When I seen this at on stage in Houston, it was demonstrated to us. I loved it. And I'm not normally one that would pick this kind of set. But anyway, this is a card box that you'll make to hold your cards. So that is one of the projects. And look at these adorable cards. Here's the first one. The little seals or walruses. There's the little hamster. And I got the envelopes in there too because they go with the box. And the little mouse. Most of you know I don't like mice, but this little guy's a little cutie. And these ones are the badgers. So as you can tell, I've used the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper. So your class kit is going to include all the materials to make the 5 projects. So the 4 cards and the card box. And you're going to get a spool of the white and silver ribbon. A package of the tinsel gems. Yeah, the 4-pack. The tinsel gems, these match beautifully with the paper. And you're going to get a full package of the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper. So for all of this stuff here, not the bundle, this is going to be $49. And this is kind of a little bit more pricier than I've been because you're getting a full pack. You're getting the tinsel gems, the spool of ribbon, and the all the materials for the 5 projects. Plus, it's going to include shipping and your PDF tutorial that will also have a video link so that you can see me put the projects together. So again, all of this is going to be $49. And then if you would like, you can add the bundle, and it's $49.50 for the bundle. And I'll pay the tax and shipping to me, and then I will include it in your class kit if you want to add that. But you will need the bundle to put your projects together. So if you have any questions, I will add the link. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Look at how cute. Look at all the flowers. Those are the dies. And we do a lot of coloring, of course, for our little critters. All right. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. Like I said, I'll have the registration link here with the video. You guys take care. Bye.